I'm Liam, visiting from Australia.
Born in New Zealand.
Have you guys bought your tickets?
Yes.
Who are you guys cheering for?
Fiji.
I see you guys have got the Ndrua colours. Who do you think is going to score the first try?
Definitely Fiji.
Fiji.
Couldn't never play though.
What do you think the point's going to be?
Equal.
I'd say 27 to 20 to the Fiji draw.
Alright. Any message to other Ndrua fans out there still making their way?
Make it here safe and we'll see you in the crowd.
Set. Thank you very much, guys.
Wangawai, retired engineer for Paradise Beverages. I'm from Nawaru, Kunalawendra.
Have you already bought your ticket for the game?
Yes, about 3.5 weeks ago.
I see. Who are you cheering for?
No one else, Ndrua itself.
Who do you think is going to score the first try?
I think it's going to be the Ndrua.
A player. Which player?
Most probably the winger or Tamani.
Set. What do you think the points are going to be at the end of the game?
Probably it won't be a big margin. Looks like Ndrua are going to win by at least 2 or 3 points.
Is there a message to other Ndrua fans still making their
I
way?
think that whoever is listening to this interview, please do come in and support our Ndrua team. I'm a die-hard Ndrua fan, Ndrua all the way. Before I was a Crusaders fan. Yes. When the Ndrua started, I put all the overseas teams away. But I'm a die-hard Ndrua fan.
Naka.
From Nanronga,
Yeah.
Matani links to Matukulam.
Have you bought your tickets for the game?
Yes,
Who are you cheering for in this game?
I'm Crusaders.
Crusaders. Why not Ndrua?
Because Ndro will lose.
Who are you looking forward to watching the Crusaders?
Severis.
Sabres.
Yeah.
Any reasons why?
Just want to see him.
Who do you think will score the first try?
I'm David Habib.
David Havili. What do you think the points will be?
I'm maybe 56-0.
50s.
Nalulog Rani siap na nonra sa watu tol tu main ko pada tangan may wawat tong ang tamat ana bul sikit abul ra tong ni sikit wawat tong ang ko mancin karon sa tegan no
O din na ni nama ka ni Nawin.
mon tanga ko don nunggu tim tu kami nak Crusaders
Ayo.
kami suatu waktu ke nunggu tim ni bono lama-lama gua sarang tong lama-lama gua
O di ko nama ka mo rin dalam.
mon tanga ko sa mati sarang ni ngono ko mulai dari tulung ko pertuntu Ventagir tu balik Crusaders
Iya.
Beret Havili Den Cole pertugi lah ya
O di ko na nung na matin ni squad. Tampak na matin ni squad.
Bombo teman tengah ni Fiji Ndrua
Tau naga gusulis tawati may nungkukura may buma ginolibuka ina novalau
O di ni nama ka na win ni ko.
pero namakati na win nado
Ndrua. Bita na kay.
kay na rosul kaba chingayu
O di na tampak na matin squad.
tambaga na matenis ko ada na wingin drongo kasi giduru nga ko Ronsaw
Eron saw.
ayo
O di ko nama ka mo rin dalam ya. Mana Crusaders bit ka na Ndrua. Kundos.
anu gue tadi property ko yo bench ko sambil tawati water to na leva na no bol orto gitu chugo
Hah.
tolu gitu e wana ndua nuko ngone dono ngongo chota mani wati ki petit tela na kose wati ki total ngono bolo gitu e wana timi ni Crusaders
Bawa.
yo no me bisare por tutela tulungo no bolo
Pinabaliw.
na bali